LETIAN Factory presents the top 3 airplane-themed self-controlled airplanes, helping you create a cool and stylish themed amusement park. Each design is uniquely crafted, full of creativity and a sense of technology. Double-decker plane. Self-controlled plane. Rocket self-controlled plane. Whether it's a family outing or a gathering of friends, the airplane-themed self-controlled airplanes can provide a safe and thrilling entertainment experience. We offer a one-stop service from planning and design to installation and maintenance to ensure that every project is successfully implemented. Choose LETIAN Factory to attract more tourists. Contact us now.